Hi everyone and welcome back. Today's look is inspired by Miranda Blake on Instagram, so if you want to know how to do it, then keep watching. First I'm placing Hot Stuff from the Beauty Bay EYN Matte Bright palette in my crease using the Morphe E18 brush and winging it out using the Morphe M213 brush. So that the next colour blends seamlessly into it, I'm then using the Morphe E26 brush to blend the edges. Next I'm buffing Tangerine Dream and Hello Sunshine above the previous shade using the E26 brush and then blending the two colours together. This time using Hello Sunshine on its own on the e.l.f. concealer brush, I'm packing this above the orange shade and buffing this out with the e.l.f. blending brush. Next, taking the Morphe and James Charles Artistry palette, I'm using the darkest purple shade on the Morphe M213 brush to deepen the crease below the first shade we put down, and then winging this out at the end. Then I'm taking a large fluffy brush to buff this out and create a nice blend. Drawing a line from the tip of the wing to the corner of my eye, I'm creating an almost winged liner shape with the same purple. I'm packing that on the outer corner of my lid. Next, using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer and a large rounded brush, I'm cutting a half crease and blending that into the purple using a fluffy brush to ensure there are no harsh edges. Using Daydream and an Urban Decay packing brush, I'm packing the colour into the inner part of the crease and bringing it towards the middle, leaving a gap at the top and bottom. Taking the lightest pink from the James Charles palette, I'm setting the rest of the concealer surrounding the blue shade using the M213 brush. Using the same brush and the neon pink from the James Charles palette, I'm adding depth close to the lash line and at the top of the cut crease, and then further deepening that with Hot Stuff from the Beauty Bay palette. Now to deepen the inner part of the blue, I'm using Sea Mist from the Beauty Bay palette. Using the same shades as to create the blend, I'm connecting them to the outer wing and dragging them beneath my lower lash line to create a smoky effect. And finally for highlighter, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Resi highlighter, which is a beautiful light gold shade. And this is a finished look. Please give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed and subscribe and hit the notification bell to know when I post. Comment down below any looks you'd like me to do and don't forget to check out my socials. Also, my previous videos will be on the end screen, so check them out if you'd like to as well. Thank you for watching.